Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this water bottle I have here. It's an insulated stainless steel water bottle. My kids have some of those Owala or something like that ones here, but this one here is a very similar, looks almost the same. So check it out here. You've got the handle on it here, which is great. I've used these ones before, so I know all about how it works. So you can push this button here to get to drink it like this if you want to drink it that way. Or what's cool about this one here is you can flip up this side here, look at that, and then you have just the straw way. Let me open it up and I'll show you guys what we're talking about in here. So you have the straw going down in there. So you can actually do both while you have it filled with the water, because if you have it filled with water in there, you can see it's a 32 ounce one there. If you have it filled, if you do this way here, it's coming out of a different area than this is coming out of. So you can drink it this way or this way. So it's so cool that you can do it both ways there, and super easy and well protected there. Great for the gym or something like that. Sometimes you just want to you need a big sip of water, or if you just want to do that, I do that like if I'm biking or something, I'll keep it on my bike like that. And then if I want to drink from it though, just a simple drink, then I do this one here. So that's just so you got your different options. You got your handle there. The handle can flip down there. You can still open it the other way while it's got the handle there, just so you know. So super cool water bottle, and it is one of those double wall insulated things that'll give you the, that'll last hours and hours and hours, the water, and it's got a little bit of a rubber bottom here. So that, excuse me, so that's nice, so you won't scratch up tables or anything like that too. They really thought of it all when they made this water bottle. This is my new go-to water bottle for everything. Heading on a cruise soon. I'm actually gonna laser my name on it so people will know it's mine. And very cool, I like it, thumbs up.